Sale. How's everybody? I hope everybody's doing well. And yeah, it's got a little bit late finishing my workout. Exercise but segment sir. It's a good day. Oh, sometimes when you work out almost every day, of course you take break 1 or 2 times a week, and then you feel very tired, you feel very lazy, you feel like I'll work out. Then you keep postponing, and then at the end you don't have enough time, so you try to finish your workout fast. That's what happens. Okay, so let's not talk about current affairs because there's nothing to talk about. I think these days it's better to live in denial a little bit, Down there. It's often time. News kun skola. Zambuli chisharu chishamiru. They kun skola chick. Jalta masal ne galok. Samara chezena chikko. Spera tangishi tungurule. Karastanango. Sembarski menasu jimiruk. Ya jutachi na mana. Ilda gelason. Today is also a very auspicious day actually. Today is the day of the guardians, the Dharma protectors, So in Sanskrit we call them Dharmapada. Tomorrow is the 30th new moon day. So tomorrow will be the day of Buddha Shakyamuni. Tening deja juka nangjin la da rena ko tening atanchik o chik lama guni yang chik chidi chinkora mixal juste tezushik jarji mabing nani da rena ko ga izuk tsezam o tuksushi tidu pole tenis special na tsirgyat buketenang the 8th of each lunar, in the lunar calendar, the 8th day is Medicine Buddha Day. Tsirgyat potene oizunole mata tsirgyat borsashi murtemira sanget manli tujeni nole smanla Medicine Buddha Day. Tsishu Gurumbuchi Day. The 10th day is Gurumbuchi Day. 15th Tsespachonga of every lunar calendar, lunar month is Amitabha Day. Sanget Sopame Day. Jagenole Tsespachonga. Then Tsespangishurka 25th of every lunar month is Dakini Day. Then you have Kandramitujan, Tsespangishurma. Then Dirinzongishurku. 29th is Chushkyoshuma, or Dharmapala, the protectors of the Dharma. Yeah, their day. And tomorrow, Namgang is Buddha Shakyamuni Day. Sangye Shakyatu Bitujan. Son passant, Ultare no Guatenijik, or Tsesang, Tuksoshi Yonole. So, minimum. Teacher no machona. Dare na tsesang tuksoshi on didu. Tsesang ne tonta pote sushi no. Yaju. So tomorrow is the last day, and we will be finishing the stanzas by tomorrow. And today we will be going through 9 stanzas because we have quite a few stanzas left. So today 9, tomorrow 9. It's okay. The stanzas are not very difficult to understand anyway. Dina turing iskipalla. Teninga ta sholoka. Gurgu Chipia Juna Izukshik Ko Sarmisarukle Izukshi Sarmisaro Ale Deja tenet sishuna ngishuruna iskala chotans pasan Sholoka Jaga Jiri Titano Pale Teniche ko Sholoka con Sarmisaro Tipia It's not very difficult to understand. Quite easy shlokas. Most of the difficult ones have already gone. So, cheers. Yeah. Shloka number 117. Gana churgu pare. Yonten sonchu chigboy, yonten shizam gashila. Nana delan chudin to kamsum pulyang chumanjur. First in Ladaki, then in English as always. So yesterday, English first nadaki dang the shloka number shloka chidishinta dang shloka gunina the nichi multidukjuna the ngata sangi shisipia jingis la stem gosan multimirole jingis la o special ngata chik jingbat patsoshigina kura jingtapsa jingjugosan pole so jingbat patsoshikazu kura the jingtapsa jingjugosu singsemani kara Jean Bordeaux, Diamera. Jean Cramanesi, Docron. Yaju, Jingbat Painopale. Jing Tapkatsushina, Jing Tapkon Kuratenici, more Tapsa Jinjugospele. Mata, Sangisipia, Tene, Soxonam Sassi Jinjugosanople. Agua, Jingpagunla, Alutapsa Jinjugosano, Tontapsa Jinjugosano, Mana, Tenatus Lamatachic, Sonam Gitso, the Ishi Sosachisipia, Corona Tarchisipia, Giva Pusum Sachisipia, Ale. Dikpachang mocho gewa mampuji sakchisipia mata yante tsoshi shinji gosan ni dang jomira teni jimbu nangi songchin jomira le semchin ki jingdang sangis ki jing hawa sombasang ta inang semchin ki jingdang sangis ki jing niskala semchin na sangis niske parla ketpar kyak jomira le chezena semchin zingan bo nyong perang jin chanji no le semchin zingan bo timugi nang ko dukanjik chose tonta khamugo kanjik stompani mato kanjik o ndeshagot kanjik jedang yut kanjik Timuk당 치스파치기 마갸를 건지 타도일 건지 쇼는 뭐 셈션즈 건뭐 상계 주간 뭐 되네 대조스 용번에 탈간지기 용번 met간지 쇼는 코랑이스키 윤텐나 쳇버를 껴주는 볼래 인랑 코니스카 스텐데 마타마치 판톡스토바 대와 쳇버를 껴주는 볼래 하고 코니스카라 스텐데 마타마치 파이다 토바 대와 쳇버를 껴주는 볼래 셈션나 스텐데 마테 제와메 껴마타 셈션 그 징아 스텐데만이 마타 제와메 껴 상계시스 Tena tosa sangi se jing mata chik smonte stente mani mata jawami kerle sangi shisla semchen ki jing na sangis ki jing sting sang ina itu parasat shologa gun itu manna stigmate itu parasat sangi shise pia semchen na sten gosano sangi sang sten gosano zigan bo ngira ngone itu parasat le teni shologa banchige don takbo ngira ngone hago teno ta tesu inote 인랑 양 지월에 띄워 살품 볼 때께 이나 띄워 마삼기 셈션나 상계스니스 가 쪽시노 마삼 볼 때께래 윤디 잠선 타입에 상진남 등감이냐 상계사 윤단 상기미샤 메켜밖에래 돕주 민지포 지세를 쏟라 하고 상계사 윤단 민자민자 문킨 이시스 위즘 민자민자 껴래 셈 상계사 셈션 마켓 파시 뭐 껴때 양 만월 못 되는 그래 판독 제슬 고 쪽시노 때 코랑이스게 윤단을 켜파시 뭐 껴 못 되는 다 때네 가마다 컨티뉴 주스는 소 다 상계스라 윤탄 짬지겨 주나 할래 상계스 간보 윤탄 짬지겨 상계스 간보 짬지 스타친 뭐노 상계스나 다 장주스 뭐 주나 마나 오 대속세되네 대군 짬지가 다 이속 지지진 스타친 뭐노 윤탄 짬지겨 주나 윤대 총주 직부이 윤대 시선 가실라 나랑 대랑 최된도 감성 풀량 중앙 줄을 못해도 알래 다 윤대이 초 sorry 다 연ten 총소 직부이 연ten 시선 가실라 로다 나 연ten 상마 잠깐 sorry 연ten 상마 잠깐 상계스 때에더니 연ten 직리 연ten 윤직 연ten 시점 하고래 연ten 상마 상계스 연ten 상마 상계스 연ten 상마 잠깐 대쪽서 연ten 직직리 하고래 다 상계스 연ten 윤직 연ten 시점 가실라 연ten 윤장 때니 미지가 갈때스 옅나 미지가 갈때 상계스 연ten 준장 톱잖아 대삼 윤탄이 띄워 대삼 사치 문자는래 상계스 윤탄 상마다만 볼 윤탄 윤지양 갈데스 미지는 구가 랩차나 스키차나 대삼 시코 사치 문자는래 나남 대란 최된도 감순 풀량 주문 교시 대삼 시 사치 문자는래 1% 쪽싱 갈데스 미지는 구가 상계스 윤탄 1% 쪽싱 스케나 대삼 사치 문자는래 기 코아 갈데스 마타 데캄 조캄 주메캄 직선 용속 마타 풀당나 다른 마타 출판 윤찬 오자는래 대상 사치면 계산을 하고래. 상계에서 윤템 차상의 낭네, 상계에서 윤템 1% 조식 갈때스 미지는 거가 영차나. 오호, 상계에서 윤템 1% 조식 시켰잖아. 대미와 대상 윤템이 계산을 대상 사치면 되는데 대미고 기 코아 갈때스 마땅에 직선 감포 풀다는 데캄 조캄 주메캄 숨가단 유도 조금 직든 너무 풀다나. 거리치 보마노, 베니치 보마노, 세계치 보마노. 요때 밑에 상화풀단에 다른 것도 출판 윤찬하선 근데 상계에서 놓고 지준래 하고 상계에서 일단 준장 시스템을 벌래 대상 사실 무인자는 그래 하고 놀듯하나 오야 117. Sabi bios kirtaman yang I mangpo jelwatan dune tusmirupale. 117. So it's a continuation from yesterday, as always. Yesterday we discussed about the fields of merit. You have the fields of sentient being, depending on sentient being. Yeah, you have a field of merit to accumulate merit. Likewise, you have the field of Buddha field, which is through depending on which you accumulate merit. So, for example, you need to depend on the sentient being field to gain merit through the practices of compassion, loving kindness, generosity, patience, and so forth. And depending on the Buddha field, you accumulate merit. For example, wisdom, blessings, yeah, and so on. So you need to depend on these two fields. The benefit that we acquire by depending on these two fields in order to achieve enlightenment is equal. But in themselves, their own qualities have a difference of sky and earth, earth and sky. There's a very big difference. Because sentient beings are samsaric. Sentient beings are they still haven't escaped from negative emotions. Sentient beings in themselves, they still have the negative qualities of ignorance, attachment, aversion, jealousy, and hate, and so on. Yeah, pride and so on. And the Buddhas in themselves, they are the ones who are free from these kind of afflicted emotions, negative emotions. So in themselves, they have a very big difference in qualities, but the benefit that we receive by depending on these two fields is equal. But still, we should not think that they're exactly the same. We have to understand how precious the Buddhas are, how majestic their wisdom is, their wisdom are, their powers are. So it's a slight elaboration. Shantideva was trying to tell us how special, how can I say, how precious, how special the Buddha's qualities are. Even if the three realms were offered, the realm of Dekam, the desire realm, Zukam, the form realm, and Zumekam, the formless realms. Basically, samsara is all existence is condensed into these three dimensions. We call them realms, dimensions, whatever. So there's the desire realm, form realm, and a formless realm. Human existence is in the dimension of the desire realm. Anyway, so basically it's talking about everything that exists. So even if we were to offer everything that exists, which is the three realms, it would be insufficient in paying veneration. It will fall short of paying proper respect, proper veneration to someone, even a common person, in whom a small quality of the Buddha manifests. Forget about all the Buddha's qualities. Even if 1% of the Buddha's wisdom manifests in one person, offering the three realms will fall short. It is that great. So just imagine how special, how precious, how out of bound the Buddha's full qualities are. The 10 strengths, the 4 fearlessness, and so on. Topchu Minjik Paji. Yeah? 118. So, let me just adjust my belt. 118. I have to go through them a little bit. I can't spend too much time, on each stanza because we don't have that much time. And we have 9 stanzas to cover. Sangye Chuncho. Chuncho, Shewe, She, Semje Namla, Yubina, Desam Taki, Chatuni, Semje Chuzar, Ripanjur. Tatena Sistenole. Tat Sange se Yuntin Yunjang, Mijiga Kaltes Yudna, Semishanjiga Yudna, Sange Sostamano. 1% 지양하다 미식이나 그거 상계에서 연탄 뮤직 스케치나 상계에서 지나 뮤직 미식이나 그 1% 지양 1% 지경랑 대왕하다 직생감 부풀랑 다른 주파 지대친 거랑 막아봐는 것에서는 빨리 인랑 때나 쏘슬라 다 때나는 연부 줬으나 상계 춘조 시외시 상계에서 추스초 상계에서 연탄 상계시스포 스케치세 엄청나 상계에서 연탄 톱지 상계시세 되네 차시스포 팟 뮤직 마탄 상마 유tkakle 하고 뭐고 사원속식 민주격래 대화지자노잖아 대신 인보자노 빨리 상계시세 사원속 동아당 상마 요때노래 상계세 초스촉 상계시세 때니직 영점나 상계시세 때오 상계시세 누스파 다치주나 때나는 때니 시계회 때니직 상계시세 아다 지진 차신 윤직 빠 윤직 아당 상마 요격 심신 상마 요격래 심진 남을 유트베나 윤직 심신 상마 요때노 때와 부단에 쳐자노래 때와 따타가다 갈바자노래 하고 대신 인보자노래 대상 다기 차트니 때나 요트간이 자스테 가수가 지지친 오메난쿠가 말 캡테노 빨리 틸리난쿠가 틸마르 때노 빨리 하고 뭐고 오메난쿠가 말 캡수 있겠래 하고 때나 조상 나타 있는쿠가 상기시스 닝포즈간 보여드기래 나타 슈그마슈가노 오마 슈크스타나 오마 슈긴 도나 마비에미르래 오메난쿠가 말 요때노 빨리 슈그마슈가노 빠 마탄군이 난쿠가 민주교 짝 상기시스 이족식래 사운속식 바틀랑타 상기시스 사운 мет피나 르규 мет피나 가수 상기스래 추즈간 뭐 매규라만 오빠 마나 추즈간 뭐 매만이 규라만 오 매즈간 뭐 추만이 규시치스만 울타노 빨리 마나래 인랑 직 주치진 다직 대소식만 나타나 상기시스 사운속식 지지 거라 르규 소식 춘주 있겠래 심신 상마 요격래 디시닝 빈 조고 용을 캡 조원디다 머리 상게스 규 멀티미라 때문에노 상게스 초스 스케치스 차시스 춘지 빠 뉴직 심신 남을 요트베나 심신 상마 요격 땡나 치포마타 삼바탄스테 데잠 타기 차트니 인나 치포 삼바탄스테 심신 추저 리퍼는 교 심신 굴랑아탄식 지지 거랑 오 세와 주치스포 김산직 때나 때옹 이노그스테노클레 하고 그때 스마타 심신 군의 야샤치 베준 오 장레나 되는 미격 발랑 장레나 되는 미격 오 붕부 장레나 되는 미격 마타 미는 만에 알아게노 키빌라 지피 야샤준 고만에 그런 장 마타 톱시시 미격 장 사치면 만오 대숙 마타 만 대숙 만오 못해노클레 키 인도 빌라 인도 발랑 붕부 인도 갸가르파 인도 아레스파 인도 라라스파 인도 심신 이니즘테 마타 상말라 상게시시테니 초스 상게시 초스케치시테니 차시스 뮤직이테노클레 심신 상마이격 때나 집과 삼바탄스테 때는 아tam에 심신 군라 지진 세와 주고 있어 심신 군라 즉 촛밥을 지속식 언제만 다 촛밥을 풀라만 오때 심신 군라 마다 잠인 주금시스 즉 세와 주치스 잡빙마다 심신 군 사실 못해시스 하고 또 디룩식 마다 김선주 이렇게 하고 되노 심신 추저를 버린 교 하고 할래 because sentient beings have some portion of the superb qualities of the Buddha. This is in reference to, what we call as Buddha nature. Because all sentient beings have this essence which we call Buddha nature. The potential to become enlightened, to achieve enlightenment. We need to have some quality, some connection. We must have, all sentient beings, humans or likewise, otherwise, we must have something in us through which, cultivating which we become enlightened. Otherwise, how can something, how can something that doesn't have any essence at all become something else? For example, a fire will never become water because fire doesn't have the essence of water. Water doesn't have the essence of fire, but it's not like that. We have a little bit of essence to achieve enlightenment, and that's called Buddha nature. It is hidden deep within us. It's like milk has the essence of butter. Yeah? So if you churn milk, butter will, you get butter. It's like sesame seed has essence of, sesame oil. So if you break it, if you crush it, if you cultivate it, you will get the sesame oil. It's a bit like that. We all have the essence to become Buddhas, to achieve enlightenment. Yeah? All sentient beings have it. So just because of that one small, minute quality that we have, some portion, because sentient beings have some portions of the superb qualities of the Buddha. We don't have 99%, maybe we have less than 1%. But that is sufficient. It is right to honor them just for that similarity. It is sufficient for us to be kind, to venerate sentient beings. Obviously, like we don't venerate sentient beings in the same way we venerate Buddhas, but Shantideva was saying that, we should still respect sentient beings. Yeah, that is enough reason for us to be kind to sentient beings, for us not to eat their flesh, for us not to enslave them, for us not to, mistreat sentient beings, whether it's animals or bugs or humans. Yeah? 119. Furthermore, wait, Ladaki first. Jiang Yume Ninjurching. Pempa Pamin Zenamla, Simjim Guza, Matopa, Jengang, Shiki, Lenjur, Sa. Da Sangesgun, Tesamuntenikale. Hagua. Sangesguna, Tesamuntenikak. Ki Sangesgun Tamatan Jistem Gampopuna, Kanikavin. Sangesi Yunten 1% so Shimiji no Kaltes Yutpina, Tewang Jistin Gampopuna, Tezamata, Gabamano, Motenogle, Agua, Simpson Sama Sashin in Motenogle, Chipes and Simpson Samala Sangishi Surgu Yutenogle, Teomata Shiganamanogle, Teomata Mekanchunganamanogle, Simpson Jamata Shochana Tenata Sangesi, Yuntanchigamata Shochugan Soxin Motenogle. Agua, Somba Santa Sanges Gun Samjik Katinchin Muin, Sanges Gun Samjik Chinapchanin, Mata Sanges Guni, Matafi Samjuruk, Simpson Gunipi Chichuruk, Sanges Guni is a Mata Cham Ninja Gomste, Special Sanges Shakatopa Soshanak Scapa Chamisum Sosastenopale. Mana, Sanges Shakatopetini, Nana, San Magis Munla, Skeva Mampo, Jiako, Luz Chimbatan Senople. Special Sanges Shakatope Rumji Juna Commanma, I never know course to one in Kabo. So, Nyalvena Koshkewan in Kerlole. Tesam Nas Kurkazano Matipia. Hale, Nyalvena Koshkewan in Kerlole. Tesam Nas Kurkazano, Simshan Janmipia. Tesane, Ta, Dipamabo Sasutuba, Sangeshaketuba, Tatesane Chanchus and Patsoshi, no Matan Sosita, Nyalvena Koshkewan in Kapole. Tenecoma Zushi, Staggery to Yonchumana. Oh, Staggery, Chariot, Staggery Chimuji, then Gava Kurtena. Is Tapa Tutena, Conan, and Simshan Napokalobale. Yalvi Simshan, Tenetama, Manitani, Gav Stashapa Engine, Bergata Engine, Shinjiguni, Chumana. That last kiss is Tonsenopole. Then it is what to the Kirkule. Then he looks Tachapa Engine, Bergata Engine, Sangisito, Koran, that is an Sangistamanoko, Matansoshino, Tachijunata, Chanchus and Sangis Lamika Durkanjinote, then they come a Tropajik. Goeka is Berget Popasang, Mani Honchumana, Tajik. Chuck being passing, then is Magona Tini, Stajak Passang, Sangis of just Ninja Hiscarole. He Nanyelvina Lushik, Hale, Static Chipia, there's some Ninjas Kiscarole, Chanjus and Soshik, Ninjishim Motoshi, Nanyelvina Lushik, Kongun and Subjuste, Kongun the money even a Tashik, something Nanyelvilla and Dick, Ism Shanjan Matsama, Tanatic, some Tizuk, Ninjas Kiscarocani, Matasama Monopole. Matan Soshi to recall the Saga and Lamni, Izushi Garichi Mujika, then it Takpatam se Michuang, Tuchunam, Sapina, Teon, any Azapachipumano, the Egan interesting Matan, Chantans of a kitchen, Nima Sapinanku, Chumatan, Chamatan, Kajimatan, Bergata engine, Kennedy. So Jean touches some Batanopole. The ocean also, so no look she's some Batanopa. Mana, the Sangis at the Susama Mohurka, then it Tarsamik, the Sangis a Pataka, Melvina Goshkavan answer, Tani touches Mano, in at the Rosman Kerle. Malushi. Simpson Sama, Mano, Comuni, Dunga Sama, Topshik, Manelvina Lushi, Kansama Tashik, some get to some Likalole. Then it's Sangis Guka Bergashi Poachana, then Chishin, Biosum Kalota, 10 minutes on Kalot, then it's young, needs Sanchina, then it's a poste. Skewasuman, the Muller Skewan in Kazanopole. The Nicolia Chanchus Milamika, Drulte, the Nicolia, Mienson, being the Dikpat Doctors now, the Nigia, such as Charles Bogo to Skajur, Especially. The Nazushino, the Nistin, Sangis Pura, Tajimbatan, Skabama, Poskava, Jimbatan, Tesutin, Sultim, Shum, Tenesopa, Home Churchina. The Nepala, Stamulujinica Liptonopole, Special. Tenia Nepala Sangestes and Chanchus and Bayano, Jesus Consama, Jusika Zurupa, the Nitela Stamuji, Stagmo. Oh, yeah, Stagmo. Sombasan, oh, Tene, a Stagmo Ketena, Co Stagmo 2 Zuka Skiscarlobale, 2 which of Skiscarlo. That 2 sketchina, then it toshes Cotopasto Secarpa. Then is Uspan comes Urson, Cojita San Zumanian, Mana, Jotpastos, Kajites Stelcanamet, then it's Tagmo with some Carlonit, Nara 2 chicken Zostana, some Chisamorcale. Sangeste Corjigatene, Stamayoga, Zoston Samajusicarlo. Then it is an enchantress and Batsagan, to know high level social lepson bassan, one can see Carlole. Hago. Special Atasamata Stazane, is Rumina Cochi, Tenaman Tomrupale. Hago. In a meditation Mampuchina, some Mampuchus, Tematajik, Chamhinji Mampu, Gomste, Chos Mampuchina, Mati Tomchis in the spots, Peltic Dupale. Then Tarin, you can meet somebody could put a canaka, Jurupaya. There's one socius, Stavilama Muduk. Oh, yeah. The Nichina Mana, the Nesangis a Kenkata is Tagmo, Kuritu, such as some bottom, the Ninja, some Kalobale. Then Sangis Korang Passpachat, Korang take a Stamiduna Sante, Kurishao, then Stagma, Stairs Tanspasan, Stamulujins in Nepalate, Nashik, Matajal Mishes Tambomus, Jalmin the Rakale, Manemalep. Teka izuka chidichin stamulujin zaga tizukta naks opel mampu kurteno pale tatyo multeno hago tizushimul sangis gune samji naks kurtemiru semshan gune pia manale sangishis mon koranchik pia sangis mano semshan tamchide pia sangis no pale jiang teo manpa yumi ninjurching migona gop maskora yujumepa ngata mijigina chik last chona chik gop skorte chik sose faide pia mani last chona pale so teni chik sozo chik topchi pia mani last chona pa niring chadang borte mani nimugona yasha chuchi shik rimugona ngata chik gata tang chik gop skorchi shik nopar kel chik mani samba me kya pale sanges guna tezuge chidi chim khona o changchup samba na sanges guna semchen rodon chuzane gop skorchi samba ka ni kirle teni nimona taring macho 참마 년조서 저조서 볼때 겪래 하고 참마 년조서 년규징 유르메빠 년규징 펜바 빠멘제남라 대숙 상게스 판바 빡도메빠 심션고는 점시 판독스메 겪 상게상 장주선 보고니 빡멘 대숙 때니 나스크간 장주선 봐 상게스군라 심션 구자마 똑바 다 상계스고랑 마타직 딘런지 코린 상계스고랑 마타직 스텐테 마타직 지진 진납식 준 상계스고랑 마타직 촛바지 풀린 삼나 촛배는 참매상 신무치 있겨 상계스고랑 마타 딘런 절제세 마타 이숙시 뭐가치 껴서네 심진 무자마 똑바 심신군나직 판독지시남 심신군나 타타 죽지시 만파 젠가 젠강 시길 레는줄 때만파 젠마 짱 마타더니 란보 론냐나마노클레 마타 불론보 코라마노스테는 하고 다 둘두서나 tene sangese kanbo chang semchen gono gop maskora cham hingjene nyampo susu do inam ngen soso borche sangeshege to batene nganma korang tene shas o korang shas na tene korang do lepchini no pale kongiske pale cham yepes chome kyamuldo sangeshege to ba mane korang skri do korang mane kuri tu to sesha chuchinziru pale sumbasan tesame kyazana ta spejana semchen chammalale yepes metba gop maskora ngen soso borche zawo soso borches tesu 판파 빠둠맛파 조간 상계샤게 상계군다 되는 마타직 촛바직 풀체스 마타 란직 마타 물론 부셔치세피아 셈션군라직 판톡스만에 셈션군라직 예샤주스테만에 셈션군라직 마타 조파직 곰스테 대족시 주스테만에 마타 물론 부자나마노 못노 야레 오야 대삼 같은치 뭐인 못노 다이유 다서 셜로그 상마다 파치파치 이소시였디야레 119. Furthermore, what way is there to repay the Buddhas who grant immeasurable benefit and who befriend the world without pretension, other than by pleasing sentient beings? So basically, Buddhas and Bodhisattvas, we are highly indebted to them because of their limitless compassion and because of their vast wisdom. We still have this manual in our hands. We still have this path. Even after 2,600 years, because of their compassion and their hard work over so many lifetimes, all the good karma they have accumulated, the Buddha's teachings, which are the only way of liberation from samsara, from this cyclic existence. Yeah, so many beings have achieved enlightenment. They have done so much, not only in one lifetime, but for many lifetimes, for countless eons. They have done so much for all sentient beings. And we, as Buddhists, if we want to repay our debt, if we want to repay the Buddhas for their kindness and generosity and so on, there is no other way than to befriend, than to benefit, to be patient, to be compassionate, to help sentient beings. That is the only way. Because the Buddhas themselves, we said that, we said that, the sentient beings, if not for sentient beings, they cannot be Buddhas. Only depending on sentient beings, the Buddhas have accumulated merit. Compassion, by practicing compassion, loving kindness, generosity, and so forth. By depending on sentient beings, a Buddha is born. So sometimes we even call sentient beings the mother of Buddhas. Yeah? So that's one very big reason. When you are compassionate, when you befriend sentient beings, if you want to repay your debt to sentient beings, to the Buddhas, the only way is to be compassionate, is to be loving to sentient beings. Basically, that's what it's meaning, And the Buddha, he went through so many difficulties. He was born in the lowest realms of hell. And he was once pulling a chariot along with lots of other beings who were born in hell. and then they were all being whipped and beaten by the guardians of hell. And I think the Buddha, at 1 second, in one instant, he had such great compassion in his heart. He felt like, oh, may I remain in hell, as their substitute. May they be liberated from hell. May I remain in hell, in their place. So Buddha he could cultivate such great compassion and loving kindness that after that, I think he was hit on the head by one of the guardians of the hell. He fainted, and then when he regained his consciousness, he was reborn back on earth with a perfect human body, which is the only vessel through which you achieve enlightenment. You climb the steps of enlightenment, So then the Buddha started practicing and so on. He went through so much pain. And there are so many stories of the Buddhas, Buddha Shakyamuni, for example, how much he suffered, for sentient beings. And he didn't pretend. He didn't, for example, cherish his near ones. He didn't hate his enemies. He loved everyone equally. And again, there's another story about the Buddha offering his body to a tigress. There's a place in Nepal, it's called Tagmulujin. Basically, offering the body to tigress site, it's a pilgrimage site. So Buddha was once meditating under a tree, and I think through his omniscience, he was a bodhisattva, so he could feel, he could see, he could understand what beings were feeling. So there was a tigress, and she had just given birth to a few cubs, and she was so hungry, and there was no one to feed her, and she could not hunt. So the tigress was contemplating on eating some of the weaker cubs, so that she will have enough milk to feed the rest of the cubs. The Buddha, he was meditating, and through his omniscience, through his power of meditation, he saw what the tigress was contemplating. So then the Buddha himself offered his body to the tigress to be eaten, So he went through so much for us, to show us the path. And right now, we are practicing his teachings. Being patient, the perfection of patience, the one that we Shantideva taught, is Buddha's teachings. So if we extract any benefit from it, if we want to repay our faith to Buddhas, this Shantideva was saying the best method is to befriend sentient beings, to be compassionate to sentient beings, to be kind to sentient beings. It's only for the sake of sentient beings that the Buddha went through so many suffering. Okay, 120. So all the subsequent stanzas, they go along this theme, so they're quite easy to understand. I'm just trying to manage the time. Sometimes I get carried away with stories and so on. We only have 18 minutes before 1 hour strikes. Ganang Ishupa Gangchir Skutong O Narme Njupa La De La Penta Lelu Njurwena O Devin Deda Nushin Senayang Tamchi Zangushi the Separasa. So first in Ladakhi, then in English. I'm getting confused now. Ta Kaipia Gangchir Simji Gangichirdo Skutong Kaipia Supia Gangchir Gangchir and the Supias is the noble Kaipia Dene Simji Gangichirdo Kaipia Dene Sangis Koran school dance Koran school sacrifice just the noble Bali just the noble Hagomago that's a Stagmulujin Denis the school is Koran Pultenopa Selbook Mampo Sangis Koran and Mikdusi Tansukerle, Lapachate Tansukerle, Jimbachate Tansukerle, Tenis Kujimba Tansukerle, Haga, Tene Narme Avici, or Nyalvenamete, Tushopole, some Messan, Tene Sting Ringshopole. Nyalwa Janmaguninakuwa, Zapik, Kamsam Cheshikale, Yansu Serachina, take a special Yansu Tina Dunjum Mubuchimuza, the Yansu Soshigina, Tenichi, take a 마자가 삿바지를 시켜놓으래. 삿바지가 사천 시켜놓으래. 니만에 그런 열리는 거가 쇼 쪽은 그 망치 열리는 거 시켜진지로 걸래. 데네테가 쇼산도 뭐 시켜지나 데네 삿바 쇼용스 나왔을 때 데네테가 락차만 보방스 껴서놓으래. 소 락차지 쿠르바 데네 쇼용스 발에 데네테가 sem션 상마 찌니찌가 서지스 투리스탄으로 막 당세 양시놓으래. 시바상 양 룸스포장미 교환놓으래. 룸스포장미 교환은 양소산놓으래. 양소산놓으래. the realm of revival, for example. So, Yansu Zanopa. Ta Triko Teka ka dungal ba tsek parsam yote no le te tsek kongal su chi yote no nar me zera china mane koran te ka rest me kyakle mane koran tukpenan ko kola tsolo kolchen zeruk bole spejana ngata chik tukpenan ko ga chik chulpe chik lus tang chulpe mane koran chik tukpenan le bingchi shik chachi jong chaman kolche shik mi kolchi jong no pa konna me no kolin do no bole 하고 도파스 바상 가지고 하네. 성부체 뭐 지는 거 같네. 나한테 박두 조신 다스 조신 스콜라나 되는 거 출폐지로서 많이 빙산에 되는 거. 냐왜 나는 투슈 바케드나. 양수 티나 눈좀 뭐부치 뭐 사와 잡도 사와 남이 냐와즈라지나 투슈 볼에 600가 아위시 산스키드는 거 아위시잖아 그래. 때와더니 참 동할라이 숨에 껴래. 벌선 맥겨. 상게스 되는 나당에 피야. 많은 그런 딕바닥 치세 피야. mane anchama tezam nasma bukurte kerle taringi jua tsosta te nyalwa mane sting jingmo guni na kosh kese kya semshan guni rodon chuchi sepia hagwa tena tsosta kuri zukspo sangis kona zukspo semshan guni la tangso kya kangchir skuton narmen jupala tela penta lenen jube na sonale tene kartes o chidechen 상계스 코랑에 대삼식 샘션골라 판독치 세피아 콩군에 대삼식 오스카마 kurtiyorna te왕마다 아직 진난절 치세피아 대윈데다 뉴신스나야 탐지 정거신도 지버자 할래 데니 대삼 상계스 나스 kurtiyor 샘션골라 판독치 세피아 코랑 죽스포 땅서 미르베는 거시케스케 te왕마다 아직 진난절 치세피아 샘션골라 아와 야샤 주고서 노그스테노글레 te만파 대윈데다 뉴신스나야 아와 야샤 주시스 아와 볼 샘션골라 잠인제 검치스 아와 볼 슐로강만 낭신라 이나치 multiduk스나 tene tepia 상계스 진난 절치세피아 마타 샘션군이 마타 노파 친무식 줘나야 탐치 zango식 지버자 상마라 징마타 야샤 주치식 상포 주치식만에 만에 코랑 소파 곰치식만에 쇼만에 쪼마노 노토만스케나마노 못는 해레 되시 못는 다유다리나 되우직 소소소리나 by helping sentient beings by being compassionate being patient to sentient beings we repay those who sacrifice their lives for us like Buddha he sacrificed his life for example for the tigers and so on and he plunged into the deepest hell to bring sentient beings out of hell. He did so much for countless eons. He was reborn again and again to, cleanse all his karmic debt. He was born in hell realm. Then again he came up. Then again he, through the process, during the process of cleansing his bad karma and accumulating good karma, he went through so much. And to repay the kindness to such beings, therefore, we have to be compassionate to sentient beings, as mentioned in the previous stanza. We have to be nice to sentient beings. We have to be compassionate and patient. But then, even if they do harm to us, should beings do great harm to me, I should be patient. I will not retaliate, and I should again try to, only bring benefit to them. This is a very similar stanza to the previous one. The stanzas go along. Sometimes they go along similar themes. 야지가는 이사식 리식 다기 지주 니장니 강세 랑기 콜랑 뮤직바 텔라 몽바 다기 지더나 마저 사진 텐징 의미사사 다 상계 세칸보 테네 나타에 지르규르바즈네 테네 나타에 직 말릭 속신이 볼래 상계 주간 무슨 상계 주고 봤더니 나타 지즈나 테네 스페셜 나타 스페셜 나타 테네 지신다 지킴보즈라 조스라 지라마즈라 조스라 때는 맞다 지 잉글리시는 그 롤즈는 빨리 때니